You work all day, answered messages, checked orders, posted content, talked to customers, fixed problems. And when the day ends, you feel exhausted. But here's the question: did your business actually move forward? Let's have a coffee conversation. Welcome back to Victor Digital. There's something I've noticed about many small business owners. They're incredibly hard working. They're always doing something, but sometimes being busy can actually hide a bigger problem because there's a difference between working in your business and working on your business. You can spend 12 hours doing tasks and still finish the day without moving closer to your bigger goal. So, today, let's talk about something every entrepreneur needs to understand. Busy is not the same as productive. Being busy feels productive. Your phone is ringing, your inbox is full, there's always something to fix, something to answer, something to post. But ask yourself, which of these activities actually moves your business forward? Because not every task has the same value. Answering 100 messages may feel productive, but improving the system that prevents those 100 problems may be more valuable. Posting every day may keep you busy, but creating content that actually attracts the right customers can change your business. The goal isn't to do more, the goal is to do what matters.